Just last week, I went to the Tobin Motor Cars dealership, and that dealership houses Ferrari, Bentley, Maserati, and even Koenigsegg. And I had the opportunity to take out Godzilla itself, the Nissan GTR, to create an Instagram reel. Now the goal of this reel is to obviously promote it on their page, but to also hopefully make a trending video. Here's actually a clip of me getting the Nissan GTR. So today, we're gonna be shooting with Godzilla. I'm an idiot. I thought this was a 2-star button. I was expecting it to go boom, and then, you know, never mind. I'll just get in the car. Either way, I drove about 15 minutes away from the dealership to an underground parking garage. I think we're about to film some magic. That's what I feel what's gonna happen. That sounded wrong. Okay. Now the reason for this is because this scenery makes the car look way more times 10 menacing. Wow. That's nice. Now, as soon as I arrived, I balanced the Sony a7R Mark IV on the gimbal and started shooting right away. Cool. I like that. I like that. Now, for my camera settings, I was shooting at 60 frames per second, a shutter speed of 1/125, f-stop 4, and my ISO ranging between like 2 to 500. Along with a flat colored profile, that way I can bring up the colors I want through the post-editing process. Now, after capturing about 40 solid shots of this photo, here's what I have so far in the editing process. So here I have the project file open, and as you can tell, I already kind of went ahead. I have some clips put together and also some speed ramps and some sound effects. I did that because you can learn all of that on some other YouTube channel. That's easy to learn. I'm not gonna teach you the boring stuff. But let me show you how the video looks so far.
I got pain, but I'm walking with a blank face. Shawty playing, but she knows she in the right place.
Now, if you notice, the video looks a little gray, like very gray. Now, do you remember when I mentioned that this was shot in a flat colored profile? Yeah. Well, the reason for that is because we need to color grade them. Let's go ahead and add an adjustment layer and go through our Velv Auto LUT pack to see which colors can make this Nissan GTR pop. So here I have added my adjustment layer, and now I'm gonna go through the creative panel and go through all the automotive LUTs that we have and see, like I said, which one just pops. So going through autumn, black cars, blue summer. That's a little too dark. Let's continue going. So after a couple clicks, I found the cinematic mode 6, and this already makes a big difference. As you can see, before and after, it starts to bring in that dark theme and also increases the reds and the blues, which is what I wanted. Now, we're not done yet. We can go ahead and add another adjustment layer to mess around with the colors. So I'm gonna head over to my project file, grab another adjustment layer, drag it on top, and then go through the other LUTs that we have. But by the way, our automotive LUT pack has a variety of LUTs. Over 100 LUTs to be exact, and it ranges anywhere between night shots to day shots, making sure that you're able to alternate the mood of any raw clip you shoot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go through more of our LUTs and see what I can add. There's a blue teal. Okay, that's cool. Now let's take a quick recap, comparing what we had before and after.
I got pain, but I'm walking with a blank face. Shawty playing, but she knows she in the right place. I'm just saying I don't wanna leave the house today. It's raining, bitch, you know me. Bitch, you know me. Pay attention to the shit you can and can't say. Got my last days, bitch, I'm dying slowly. Take my hand, say the plan, cause I'm banned from this planet. Bitch, you know me. Bitch, you know me.
And there we go. This is the reel that I shot for the dealership. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let us know down in the comments. Or if you want to see something different, also let us know down in the comments. I am definitely going to be reading each one, whether it's a love or a hate. Constipate, no flake. We shooting down Dracos like Drake. I don't think that rhymes. Either way, go ahead and check out the automotive LUT down below, and I'll see you guys all next video. Wash your hands, brush your teeth. Take care.